What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cletus Cassidy, otherwise known as Dark Carnage. Now we're going to get started at the top of our page with the upper edge of the brow, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to curve this up and then out, and we'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to the inside and curl up the brow, coming in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight line going out towards the side, and we'll hook the brow going up and in. Let's work our way around the side, going out and then down. And we'll pull this in and then down towards the bottom of the eye. And we'll close off the bottom, starting on the left, curve this up and then down on the inside of the brow. Let's connect the inside corners of the eye with a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to move down and draw the top row of teeth. We're going to start on the left side, curve this down and in towards the middle, go out and back up on the right. Let's add a second set of fangs, coming down and then in, and taper that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to add a couple more on either side. Coming down and in. And then back up. And then we'll add one more. Coming down and in. And we'll just pull this back out and up right beside the eye. Now from the top, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the side of the cheeks. And we'll curve this up and in beside the eye. Let's work our way up towards the top of the brow. Starting on the left, go up and in. I'm just going to pull this across and then down on the inside. Now we're going to close off the top of the head. From that top point, we're going to step in, curve the head going up, and then bend that back down on the right. Let's go to the center of the forehead and add that swirl. Starting right in the middle, start by going around the right side. We go counterclockwise, going all the way around, and then back down on the left. Now I'm just going to trace this back, going all the way up, leaving even space gap all the way around towards the bottom, back up, and then in towards the middle. Now we're going to move back down and draw on the side of the head. Starting from the bottom corner of the cheek, we're going to step in, curve this in, and then down towards the jaw on either side. And then from the jaw, draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the chin. Let's close off the chin with a curve. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. From the center, we're going to step up, start with a point, and go up and out towards the left and right. Pull that straight down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to curve the outside fangs, going out and then up, go out and then down. Now I'm going to work our way back up towards the side. Starting on the left side, just going to go out and then bend that up. And then we'll go out and up underneath the upper jaw. And now we're going to place those large horns on the side of the head. Let's start from the side of the brow, start by curving out and then up. Line this up on the right, going up toward the same height. And then from here, pull this up and in. And then we'll bend the horns going back out towards the tip, going up and then out. Now we're going to work our way back along the outside of the horn, starting from the tip, curve in and then down, and we'll go out down. Let's bend the horns coming back in towards the side of the head. Starting on the left, go straight in, and we'll just bend that down just up above the jaw. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then out. Now we want to add that texture along the base of the horns. Let's start on the top left, start by curving down and then up, almost like a half circle. Add a smaller one, and we'll just work our way around towards the bottom with various sized half circles. All the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to work our way along the inside. We're going to step in, curve in the opposite direction. Again, just varying the size of these half circles. Just pull that back in towards the side of the head. Step down, curve the bottom, all the way around. And I'll pull that back up along the inside, going up and then in. Just close off the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side of the chin, curve the body going out and then down, and then line this up on the right side. Let's draw on the first rib. Come down and then hook that in. Now you want to layer 2 more ribs underneath. We're going to step down, curve out, and then back in. And we'll add a smaller one. Stepping in, come down, just pull that in towards the inside. Now let's draw the inside of the rib. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, then up, and then on the left side, curve down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to tuck this up underneath. And then we'll add that symbol in the center of the body. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, draw a straight line going up just underneath the chin. Come down and out on the other side. Go up and out. Now from here, it's going to curve this out across the ribs and then down towards the side. Let's move up underneath the chin, draw that same curve. Now we want to leave a gap underneath the ribs and draw in the lower torso. Let's start on the left. Curve down and then up. And then from the ends, we'll step in, curve out and up towards the top. Let's go back to the left side, go straight out, and then bend that up towards the hips. And then we'll round out the hips and then pull that back in. Now we're going to connect the upper body with the lower torso with that spine. So we're leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw 2 lines. One on the left and one on the right. And then we'll separate the spine. Starting from the bottom, curve down and up, leave a gap. Just repeat this all the way up towards the top. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a curve. Left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a large gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start from the heel, curve the foot coming down and then up on both sides. Let's add 2 folds along the top of the foot. Starting on the left, go up and then bend that in. I'm going to step out, draw the top of the foot going up, and then bending that down, aiming towards the heel. From the top of the left foot, step out, curve this out, and then up on both sides. Curve this down and in. curve this in and then up towards the inside of the leg. And we'll taper that back down and out. And then from the bottom, we'll step back up, curve this down and up towards the inside of the leg. Let's close off the side of the leg. Starting underneath the hip, curve this out and then down. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the shoulders. Start from the top of the body, curve the shoulder going up and then out on both sides. Then from here, we're just going to curve this out and then down. Go out and then down towards the bottom of the shoulder. Let's pull the shoulders coming back in towards the body. Starting on the left, go up and then down. Now you want to tuck the arms in underneath the shoulders. Let's start on the side of the rib, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle from the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from underneath the thumb, curve down, and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, and pull that up underneath the shoulder. Do the same thing on the right. Now when you go back and wrap the shoulder in behind the side of the arm, go down and then in. Now we're going to add a similar texture that we did in the horns along the shoulder. So let's start from this top point, curve down and up. I'm just going to work our way out towards the side of the shoulder with these various sized curves. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top, step in, working our way around in the opposite direction towards the inside of the shoulder. Let's open up the bottom. On the outside, we'll step down, curve up and then down. Just working our way up toward the top and then down towards the bottom. And now we're going to place the wings in behind the body. We start from the top corner of the shoulder, curve out and then up. And then we'll bend the wings going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's go back to the outside. We're just going to taper the ridge of the wing coming back up toward the top. And we'll follow that same curve coming back in toward the side of the shoulder. Let's add that bone in the center of the wing. Starting from this point, go out and then down just beside the shoulder. And then we'll connect the outside point to the inside with a curve, going up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then from that inside point, curve up and in towards the side of the shoulder. And that's pretty much it. There's our illustration of Dark Carnage. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.